What's your name?
Parth.
Yours?
Kisha,
Yours?
Manvi,
Yours?
Mahita,
Mahita. Okay. Which branch are you?
Industrial.
Industry. Yeah?
Cyber Physical Systems. ENI.
Your?
I go to MIC, Manipal Institute of Communication.
Oh, okay. Okay, bro. Like, what's the best experience you had in Manipal?
अभी तक तो सारे एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ट हैं और ऐसा कुछ पर्टिकुलर तो नहीं है बट सभी अच्छा चल रहा है अभी तक तो बढ़िया. मतलब आई डोंट नो किस चीज़ के बारे में आप पूछना चाह रहे हो, मतलब
Like
एकेडमिक्स
the crazy experience.
क्रेजी वन. ओके, ऐसा कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा बट अभी तक सब अच्छा चल रहा है, सब कुछ क्रेजी है.
Okay. One thing you did beyond the rules.
बियॉन्ड द रूल्स. ओके, मैंने इस बार दिवाली पे हाथ में लेके पटाखे छुड़ाए.
In campus.
हाँ.
Okay.
भाई तू तो मंगल ग्रह पे जा रहा है भाई, यहाँ क्या कर रहा है भाई?
Okay. Like the worst experience you had and you want to forget.
वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, हाँ मेरे रूममेट के कुछ दोस्त आ गए थे जिन्होंने मेरे बेड पे उल्टी कर दी थी और उसी पे सो गए थे.
Oh, bro.
ఛీ ఎందుకురా నీకు ఏస్ బతుకు ఛీ ఎందుకురా నువ్వు బతుకుతావు ఛీ
Okay. For you, like your best experience in Manipal.
Probably going to beaches, I guess.
Okay. And the crazy one.
Handling drunk people.
Okay. And the worst experience you had that you want to forget.
Probably falling hair सबके सामने. That was quite embarrassing.
Okay. Yeah, I get it. Yours best.
Exploring campus,
Okay.
that's it, and beaches,
Okay.
and going on trips with friends.
Okay.
So these are my like good experiences.
Okay. And the one crazy and you crazy experience and you did beyond the rules in Manipal.
Till now, I did nothing beyond the rules.
Okay. And the crazy one.
Uh, nothing like that.
The worst experience you had.
First experience. All experiences are good only. Yeah, but like handling drunk people, very hard task for me because I don't drink.
Okay. Okay.
I
Your-
think
Your best experience and worst experience
crazy experience. So the other day, Manipal में last 2 week की बात है. So I came from some bullshit thing. I started throwing up in SP. Okay. And then that is still fine. I started throwing up in SP, and then in my room I started crazy thing. Next day, people start texting me, bhai, Mahita, you know you threw up in SP. Like literally 3 people started texting me. I was like, okay, bhai, thank you for reminding me what I did. Okay. So yeah, and then bad experience. I was walking around SP, अच्छे से like 2-3 rounds, आई पे है, and then that's when some random guy, 80 kilometers per hour speed, he comes and he just hits me, bro. Like on a cycle, that motherfucker is just standing. I'm supposed to smell?
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
He's just standing there. He's just existing like that, and bhai sahab, still hurts. It still hurts. So yeah.
On cycle.
On cycle, yeah. Like he's coming from there itself, so I think it was slope hai. So it takes around 80 kilometers per hour. That's it. Dada, gone.
Okay, the crazy thing you did in Manipal or the beyond the rules you did.
Oh, beyond the rules. What did I do? I mean, we tried sneaking out, hostel and she, and then somehow we got caught.
Okay.
And then our perm time got reduced for 15 days straight. So I think, yeah
And
that's
the crazy one.
Inca crazy. I don't know. I started dancing in SP out of nowhere.
Oh.
So yeah, I think, yeah. I have many like that, many embarrassing moments and crazy.
Okay. Any backlogs you had?
No, I'm a good student. Shakal leke loge. I'm a good student. No, nothing as such. Nothing as such.
Science topper.
Yeah,
Just science topper.
Yeah.
Oh. Do you have any backlogs?
No.
अरे तीन तो लग गए तो सच बता दे भाई. Guys, he's lying.
No.
He's lying.
Okay, I get it. Backlogs. Okay. Like, which place do you suggest to hang out?
In Manipal?
Yeah, in Manipal.
In campus or out?
In campus or outside anyway?
In campus, you can go to beaches, I guess. Hude Beach और मालपे Beach.
Okay.
दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे हैं. और कैंपस के अंदर जहाँ आपके सारे दोस्त हो वो बेस्ट जगह हो जाती है.
Okay.
Like the best place.
Yeah,
outside.
best. In campus or out campus?
I guess Roy's Cafe and Hadika have great place to eat. So them and campus में SP I guess हम सब होते हैं. So it is.
Yeah. For you?
कैंपस के बाहर आई थिंक बीचेस, पूरे बीचेस वेरी नाइस.
Okay.
एंड कैंपस के अंदर हैंग आउट कर सकता है FC1 एंड SP तो वेरी ग्रेट प्लेस.
Outside campus, I'd suggest Mattu Beach. I think go to Mattu Beach in the morning. No one will be there. Aram se jao. You can sleep on the Why do I swear a lot, bro? Why do I swear a lot? You can sleep on those rocks. It's amazing. And then in campus, go anywhere except the Ashik Lane. Trust me, if you're single, please don't. I would not suggest you to go. But then again, if you're a biryani fan, go to Shubham's for sure.
Oh.
For
as boss.
Hyderabadis guys, for Hyderabadis and like Bengalis, go to Shubham's. It's good.
Okay. Best place for couples and the worst place for singles.
Places, बताओ कैसे places है? See, wherever, don't go to football field post 9. You will only find couples, guys. You may think कि भाई अच्छे लड़के. Shut up. No. This is absolute bullshit. You'll not find me anywhere. So then the thing is, आप लोग सोचेंगे कि भाई कोई लड़के दिख जाएंगे कि अच्छे फुटबॉल फील्ड में लड़कियां दिख जाएंगे. नो, you'll only find couples there and jealousy नीचे से आएगा. तो please don't go there. Never.
Okay. Like, what are you guys expecting from Manipal?
देखो प्लेसमेंट का तो मेरा कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है, तो प्लेसमेंट का एक्सपेक्टेशन रख के तो मत ही आना. और या बाकी तुम सब एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. तुम्हारी लाइफ लॉन्ग मेमोरीज तो मतलब ये है बंच ऑफ मेमोरीज जिसको तुम यहाँ से जाने के बाद आई गेस तुम लाइफ लॉन्ग जिसको अपने साथ लेके जाओगे. ऐसे दोस्त शायद बना लो कि जो लाइफ लॉन्ग आपके साथ रहें. और हाँ मतलब थोड़ा पढ़ाई लिखाई भी कर लोगे तो हो सकता है प्लेसमेंट भी लग जाए. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि 0% ही प्लेसमेंट है, बट हाँ
Yeah.
तो हाँ ये
I guess इसने सब कुछ ही बोल दिया है जो हम बोल सकते थे. But like great bonds with everyone, and like here the seniors are chill, so I guess you bond with them well, and वो तुम्हारे आगे के लिए काम आएगा. That if by chance you go somewhere and you meet some of them, बाकी placements everyone expects her college में जाके, and I guess Manipal is better in placements than some other colleges. So great bonds in placement, I guess.
What are you?
आई थिंक लाइफ लॉन्ग फ्रेंड्स जिसके साथ लाइक हम कॉलेज के बाहर जाने के बाद भी हम चिल कर सके, मिल सके. एंड प्लेसमेंट्स ऑफ कोर्स दैट आई एक्सपेक्ट.
What are you expecting?
Nothing. Don't expect anything.
Like at the time of graduate, you like you will have some brain, right? I want this. I want to do complete this.
नहीं
One
भाई,
thing.
नहीं भाई. The thing is, one thing that I'm sure I came to Manipal कि भाई, I'll not put expectations, no hopes, no expectations, कुछ मत रखो. Go with the flow. So the thing is, you will come across many people, many things, and you might actually fall out of place. So don't expect anything.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It was
Adhyan.
Adhyan.
Yes.
Bunch.
Lunch. Which branch?
IT.
Yours?
Fintech.
Fintech. Okay. Why did you choose Manipal?
Only place I got seat.
Okay. Simple.
Cut off clear नहीं हुआ IIT का.
Facts.
Okay. Then like so many other colleges are there. And some other universities, deemed universities are there. Then why Manipal exactly?
Like again, cut off clear नहीं हुआ.
Drug culture.
अरे बाप रे ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
Oh, okay. Okay. What's the craziest experience you had in Manipal? Like the naughty.
Crazy, not experience, damn. Not experience.
The crazy. Like beyond the rules.
Craziest thing I've done is got drunk here. Nothing else.
Okay, like can you tell me briefly? Like elaborate.
So we went to beach. So randomly we got a plan to get drunk and got drunk on Sunday. They said they've had a morning workshop, and I don't know how I survived that workshop. So hungover and a damn fuck.
Where did you go?
It was Kapu probably. At Kapu on the way back we went to that bar down the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Like what's the best experience? Like one best memory you had in Manipal?
Best memory, yeah. Right. It's going pretty good lately, so every memory I was going to get best memory. Yeah. Probably that day I got drunk.
Okay. Whatever.
The Diwali night, we burst some crackers on football ground.
Okay.
We smuggled crackers inside the campus.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then we burst it.
And
on
you
football.
caught?
No.
No, we didn't get caught. I was smooth with it.
That's crazy. And like what about your academics?
Academics, yeah, it was going pretty good.
Any backs?
No, not bad.
No. Whatever.
It's
bad.
going great.
Okay. Like one thing you want to say for freshers, like when somebody coming for newcomers, anything.
Probably join some clubs, get some interaction with seniors and make friends, go out, have fun. First year, you don't have to stress it.
Okay.
Just have fun.
Yo.
Pretty chill life. Don't take stress. Pretty chill. You will figure out everything eventually.
Okay. Any dates recently?
No.
As bro as. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your name?
Pranav. Your name?
Nishtha.
Nishita.
Yeah.
Yours?
Eagle.
Egan. Which year are you in?
Third year.
Third year. Okay. What's the crazy experience you had in Manipal?
Shit. Rebels actually.
No, like not the best. Some crazy stuff you did in Manipal. Like something naughty, kind of.
Must be
beyond
the
the
clubbing.
rules.
Must be the clubbing. Yeah.
Clubbing.
Yeah.
Like, can you share like anything?
Share. Oh. So we went to a club once, and it was just three of us, three of my girls.
Okay.
And we saw a person. He approached one of the girls.
Okay.
And he came up with. He was a big, huge, hunky guy.
Oh.
So he came up with drinks,
Okay.
and it was the first time any of us was being approached.
Okay.
So we all got a little, oh my god.
Okay.
And then, go on.
you
Okay, should I say?
Yeah, you just- I'm so sorry. Dude.
Yeah. Then we just left the drink there and we ran. We completed our clubbing session just because someone approached us.
What? Any
Craziest. So, in the beach, I drank Budweiser
Okay.
and then scolded a security guard.
Security guard.
Yeah.
Okay.
For not telling other people, but telling us not to go inside waters.
Okay. That you're on high or like?
I was little high, I think, because no one stopped me and I didn't stop myself.
Okay. Like in lifetime, you want to remember that one best memory, which will be on top.
This was me meeting my friends, yeah.
Yeah,
They made my personality whatever it is today.
Yeah.
So I'm very glad I met them. That's the moment I'm going to remember my entire life.
Like you're telling the first time when you met your
Yeah,
friends.
yeah. The first time when I met my friends.
What about you?
Same for me also. I met these guys. Uske pehle no life.
Yeah. And okay, the one worst experience.
It was inquiry.
Inquiry. What? Which inquiry? Like you got in something? What?
We snuck daru into our room. We had bottles in our room.
Okay.
We got caught. We had an inquiry. That was the worst memory.
Okay. What about you?
I was in first year.
Okay.
In Rebels, Akash Gupta came.
Okay.
For the ticket, I waited for like an hour here.
Oh.
In like 36 degrees or something.
Okay.
In sunlight.
Yeah.
That was my worst experience.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. All the best. Okay. That's it. All the video, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.